For probably the last time as acting president of the United States, Barack Obama is touring Europe, specifically the United Kingdom and Germany. On the agenda, the threat posed by the so-called Islamic State, but other regional topics will also be in focus. In the UK, Obama is expected to express his, quote, gratitude for the support he received during his tenure. But it's his position on a potential Brexit that will grab the most attention. The president is believed to be against a British exit from the European Union, and although his aides have refuted the claim, some believe he could use this trip to weigh in on the debate. In Germany, Obama will emphasize the two countries' political and economic ties and will visit Hannover Messe. But again, attention may be diverted from the official agenda and towards the refugee and migrant crisis. Merkel's welcoming stance towards migrants has cost her a lot in popularity, and she recently helped broker a deal with Turkey to stem the flow into Europe. But it won't be all work and no fun. Obama may have to sing happy birthday as he privately lunches with Queen Elizabeth II a day after she turns 90. Phil Hahn, CNBC, London.